So the views are giving. Manze kwanza hapa. Alafu disho alikuwa ananiambia hapa kuna samaki.
Ini ya mzee. Sini ya community.
Oh, ni community? So mpaka kuna mahali
huku kwetu imejengwa tu kama hii.
Purpose yake ni
I think
reserve maji.
Maji ndio inachotwa sasa na hii community. Yes, unaona mtu zimetoka hapa.
So guys, this is the community dam. This is where the Kamat gets some water. Yeah, so na hii maji iko sawa, bado watu wanakunywa ama
Inabidi uchemshe. Unaona si fresh, high flow.
So guys, we are already in the hiking station of the hill, and as you can see there, these are my friends. That is Sam and Wambo. Yeah, and we are looking for a spot where we can take some photos. And as you can see there, there is that big tree. There is that baobab. Yeah, baobab trees. So for those who always say that baobab trees are found in Madagascar, even in Kenya we have them. Just here in Mwingi. Yeah, so this is Ukambani bana. Wambo, just imagine, waking every morning and you get to see this view.
That is incredible until now.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. Inasanga mahali unaanza kusikia umeanza kuboeka. I just feel like you need to visit such places once in a while.
Yeah.
Just to appreciate the beauty.
Yeah. You see, whatever they do here, some project to, I think, to prevent water than going that way. Yeah. Prepare direction fit. Hey, Wambo, aloe vera. You see, aloe veras. This is a pink one. So guys, you see, this is called Wada. This place is full of these aloe veras, So that's medicine. So guys, welcome to Mwingi. Yeah. So guys, imagine this is Ukambani. Just imagine. This is Ukambani. You see a lot of baobab trees here. This one, that one, there is that one. Yeah, and there is this dam here. Yeah. So guys, this is a part of the hill, this side, and that side. Then the community decided to build that wall there so that water can accumulate here. So for the community use, yeah. So I guess this is the point where we'll be taking some photos and you'll be seeing the behind the scenes. Yeah, so you see that another big stone over there, this side. Yeah.
Twende the other side, lakini mimi hii inanibamba.
Hii inanibamba, kwanza hata picha tutapiga na hii view by
I am thinking.
Yeah.
Juu iko sawa?
Juu iko sawa, juu niko na speed light.
Hapa.
Tunapiga na hiyo side hivyo na tupiga na hii side.
It's giving Table Mountain.
Wallahi.
It's giving Table Mountain.
Yeah. So we start, or you want to vlog a bit?
Tuanze mapema ndo best.
Sawa.
Atakupata hapo akugangue. Lakini acha nikuulize.
Okay, so guys, this is one of the indigenous trees that we have in Africa, and it has some fruits, wild fruits that one can eat. And if you have watched my previous video, you have seen where we went and buyed some black fruits. Yeah, they are called black fruits. This is the tree. Yeah, this is the tree that produces that fruits, and it's not on season of them. So this is how this tree looks like. Yeah, and its stem, it looks like this. Yeah, so in our language we call it mburu. So this tree we call it movuru. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, I was lucky that today I went in the market. I bought the fruits that are from this tree, and when we came at this point, I saw the tree. So well, that was awesome.
Niko huko waita.
Twende.
Ngoja. Aya, usipite. Siwache nikupee direct nini location ya hapa uingie. Unaona kuteremka tu ukitoka waita. Hapo hivyo. Wewe jamaa wangu ananikola akifa.
Oh, ako pale hivyo.
Niambia sasa.
Oh, alikuwa amepita kwa hiyo nini? Mali tuliingilia. So guys, we are done with our hiking and taking some photos. As you have seen, behind the scenes of me taking photos of those two people here, my friends. Then something weird happens, guys. But this is a story for the other day. Mambo.